Hi, I'm Dr. Trevor Pinchin. I hold a Bachelor of Dentistry from the University of Sydney, a Bachelor of Science from the University of Western Ontario, and I hold the Diplomat status from the International Congress of Oral Implantology, and I'm a member of the Oasis Dental Group. Outside of dentistry, I definitely don't take life too seriously. I'm really lucky to be married to somebody who's also in the same field, so we have a lot of boring shop talk at night. We really enjoy traveling, so that's always been a passion of ours even since we started dentistry and started dating many years back. We really enjoy giving back to the community, so my wife and I are part of a nonprofit that we've been trying to build up, which unfortunately got sidetracked during COVID, but we're trying to bring dentists, dental clinicians, or anyone with an interest in giving back in a lot of the third world countries that we had visited in our travels. So we do have some foundations that are set up that are hopefully, once everything settles down, going to get back up and running so we can kind of help people who don't have the types of services that you can find in Australia. And then beyond that, what I really love to do is I love a lot of sports. So I love watching sports, playing sports. I love outdoor activities. A lot of stuff you can't do in Australia. I used to play ice hockey a lot, so that's apparently it exists here. So we'll have to find out where the nearest ice rink is. I love skiing and snowboarding like in Canada, but what I really also enjoy here is surfing, kite surfing, diving, a lot of just general outdoor sports. So apparently a lot of stuff that I can find around here, so pretty excited to figure out where all the good spots are. I began my study originally in Canada, so I did a double undergrad degree. So that undergrad degree was in biology and medical science. After that, I was accepted to University of Sydney. So I did 4 years at University of Sydney for a Bachelor of Dentistry. And then after that, my wife and I had moved back to Canada. So in Canada, we continued our education, and mine specifically in the dental implant area. Well, I think my main focus has always just been patient-driven care. So I think that's the most important thing. So I wouldn't say I have an exact main focus, but it's always taking care of the person first and the problem second. And the treatment that I enjoy the most is always going to be dental implants. That's my area of expertise and my area of interest. And I find that I think the reason why I really enjoy it is because it's giving something back to somebody that maybe they were missing or never had. So again, it's coming back to more so treating the person. Usually they've come in with something they'd really like fixed or something they wish they had. And once we get to the other side of that, it's usually just they're so happy to get what they were looking for that it's more so the whole process takes a bit of time, so it's forming a bond with somebody, figuring out exactly what they want, and then delivering that at the end and making sure that everyone's happy. So I'd say that's probably what I enjoy the most. I would say the first thing that drew me to this location was the fact that my family does now live in Australia, so it was so good to get back with a lot of my family that I had missed seeing during the pandemic. So that was first and foremost. But second, I really wanted to settle into a smaller community, a community that has a lot of heart and soul, somewhere that's beautiful to live, that has a little bit of a balance between work and life. And yeah, just about everything that ticks a box that would make somebody want to live here is present. So I'd say that's definitely why I want to live here. Oasis Dental, compared to a lot of the different offices, has a different approach, and it starts from the ground up. And they're really, they're detail oriented, they care about the people, they take the time to get to know everybody, all their problems, all their issues, all the things they'd like to get fixed, and they go about doing it the right way. They're not trying to do something fast or quick, they're trying to take care of the problem so that it's done the right way. So I'd say that's probably what drew me to them. They have a really great track record. They have a lot of really well-renowned, highly skilled clinicians, so it's just good to work alongside people with those types of qualifications.